Hello friends, welcome to Soumya's cookbook. Today I am going to make this very yummy and delicious crispy cheese bendi. This is a very healthy recipe and also very tasty. You can make it very easily within 10 minutes. Your kids are going to love this recipe. Let's see how to make it. For this recipe, here I have taken 250 grams of bendi. First we need to chop off the tip and make a slit like this in the middle. Gently open it up like this. Let's make all of these bendi ready in the same way. Now let's prepare the stuffing for this. Take a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of grated cheese. You can use any cheese that you like. Here I am using mixed cheese with mozzarella cheese and cheddar cheese mixed. Add 1 small onion finely chopped, 2 tablespoons of roasted and crushed peanuts, 1.5 tablespoons of corn flour, 2 teaspoons red chili powder, 2 teaspoons chaat masala, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, salt to taste. Mix everything well. Add a little bit of water just for binding. Mix it again well. Mash it like this with a spoon. Check the salt and spice level at this point and adjust according to your taste. This stuffing mixture is ready now. So let's stuff it into our bendi. Now take the bendi, open it like this and take some stuffing mixture and gently stuff it like this by pressing with your finger like this. Nicely stuff it with this masala. And seal like this. This is ready now. Keep it aside. Now take another. Stuff this one as well. Follow the same process. Gently press the masala into the bendi and press it like this and seal it. So make all of these ready in the same way. Our bendi is ready now. Let's fry these. Take a wide non-stick pan like this. Add some oil and heat it. Once the oil is heated, place this bendi nicely in a single layer one by one like this. If you have more bendi to fry, you can do it in multiple batches. Cook this bendi in a medium heat on all the sides by turning them around once in a while and make sure it gets nice and crispy on all the sides. Place the lid on and cook it for a couple of minutes. Now turn them around to the other side and cook it on all the sides nicely. These are nicely cooked on all the sides like this and ready now. So let's take them onto a serving plate. Now I'm going to cook the second batch of the bendi as well in the same way. This bendi is looking so yummy. I'm going to top it up with little bit of Parmesan cheese on the top. This is optional, but it looks so nice and it tastes so good as well with this. You can make this crispy cheese bendi as a side dish with rice, dal and sambar etc. Or you can also make it as a starter just to eat as it is. It tastes so good even like that. And your kids are going to love this recipe. Do try this once and let me know how it turned out for you in the comment section. And for more interesting recipes like this, please like and follow Soumya's Cookbook Facebook page and YouTube channels and share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.